Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Majestic for backlink analysis, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To install Majestic for backlink analysis, begin by opening your web browser. Navigate to the official Majestic website. Look for the sign up or login option on the homepage. If you don't have an account, click on the sign up option. Fill in the required details to create your account. Once your account is set up, log in using your credentials. After logging in, you will be directed to the dashboard. Locate the download section on the dashboard. Select the appropriate version of Majestic for your operating system. Click on the download button to start the installation process. Once the file is downloaded, locate it in your downloads folder. Double-click the installation file to launch the installer. Follow the on-screen instructions to proceed with the installation. Choose the installation directory where you want Majestic to be installed. Once the installation is complete, open the Majestic application. Log in with your account credentials again. Explore the user interface to familiarize yourself with the tools available. Begin by entering a URL for backlink analysis in the search bar. Click on the search button to retrieve backlink data. Use the various features to analyze and interpret your backlink information. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.